Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. In today's video we will be doing a structure gel fill, builder gel fill on my client. She's been out for 4 weeks. This client is a seasonal client as well. Whenever she's coming in town, she'll reach out to me a month or two ahead and let me know her dates, and I'll get her on the schedule. She found me back in 21, I want to say July of 2021, on the Luminary locator. So yeah, she's been with me for a while. I love her dearly. She's so sweet. And we do share. Her nail tech from out of town uses the same product, Luminary. So whenever she comes in, all I have to do is debug her previous set, and then I'll go in with my Luminary system. Now, this client doesn't like a ton of prep just because she's had bad experiences with getting her nails done. So I will just be going with my Manicure diamond. I want to say it was a medium diamond sanding band on her, and she doesn't have a ton of buildup on her cuticle, but her sidewalls are a problem. She tends to get a little separation on her sidewalls, so since she shared that with me, I've been making sure I prep her sidewalls thoroughly. I have not had any separation since she's been back in town, but I just want to make sure her product, she's good with her services, and we don't have any lifting. I don't want any moisture to get trapped under that product, so I'm making sure my prep is thorough. Here I'm just going in with my cuticle pusher to push back her cuticle and expose any dead cuticle that may be on her nail plate. Here I'm going in with my Manicure medium diamond sanding band to prep her cuticle and make sure that sidewall is nice and clean and free of any built up or dead skin. I'm just using my thumb ever so gently to push her skin back so I'm able to see where I need to file that dead skin from on her sidewalls. And I think she has built up because of how her apex is really high, and her nails are so gorgeous, guys. They are so thick. You need minimal product on this client. Really and truly, she could just use a rubber base and going with whatever cover color um, that she wants for that for a week, but she does like a little bit more protection. So yeah, with Luminary, sometimes you tend to get a little bit of separation on the free edge of the nail. I have not seen any really. I do use both my Young Nail Protein Bond and the Luminary Commit primer on her, and I've had no problems. I like to also go in with a slip layer of their clarity. I'll cure that, and then I'll go in with a slip layer again and go in with my second bead. I find that helps with the separation on the free edge of the nail. The client that I used Luminary on not too long ago, she came in for a second appointment, but I did not get a chance to record her process, but I will record it on the next visit, so you guys will be able to see how well she did with the Luminary system. Anyways, here I'm just going in to prep all her nails. I'll let you guys go ahead and watch this portion, and I'll come back once we get to the application. Alright guys, here I'm going in with a slip layer before going in with my bead of gel to fill in that new growth. Once I fill the new growth in, I'll take it all the way down the free edge of the nail, making sure the free edge is kept as well. We cure for 30 seconds, and then after I'm done with the thumb, we'll go in for a full cure of 60 seconds. This client does not like a lot of product on her hands, so I'll spray the alcohol on the lint-free wipe and then cleanse her nails. We do the same thing up for to apply her cuticle oil. I put the cuticle oil on a lint-free wipe and basically just massage it in her cuticles. She'll wash her hands with soap and scrub. Well, she doesn't like using her scrub. She'll brush with soap, and then we'll take her picture afterwards. I did use my D&D cover color DC. No, it was DC cover color 2455, and then I went in with Gossip Girl because the color was just a little bit too sheer, and it wasn't giving us that pink base that she was looking for. So went in with one coat of Gossip Girl in a coat of D&D 2455. I'm losing my train of thoughts, so I'm not too sure what's the name of that. I want to say it was Mastermind. So yeah, so here I'm going in to just cleanse our nail, and then I'll be going in with my 240 sanding band to make sure our nails are nice and smooth. Also go in with my natural nail file to perfect that shape and make sure our shape is nice and crispy. We'll also use my D&D French tip white to create her French tip for this design. So yeah, if you guys have made it this far in this video, please don't forget to leave me a like. If you have any questions, please leave them down in this comment section, and I will list all the products used in this video in the description bar. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. I'm enjoying you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and watching my videos on a daily basis and commenting and asking questions. I love the engagement that I'm receiving so far. I appreciate you all. This is where I'll be leaving you guys. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.